early morning photo shoot. I didn't talk about this too much, but here's the wrap that we did. We're doing some car work today, so we're moving all the cars out of the warehouse. And we already moved the GTR out. Hi, what's up? And then the Camaro's leaving. Let me show you guys the GTR. Should be outside. Where are you? Where are you? Here you are. Oh, the Subaru's outside too. Subaru's pretty nice and clean. Man, it looks so cool inside. And we got Gino over here shopping at the warehouse sales section. Drop by if you guys are local. Car sounds beast. Man, this is like my dream car, man. It's so loud. There's the GTR. Ooh, man, I haven't been to this place in forever. It's looking nice in there. Dude, the last time I was here, I had my Subaru. All right, guys, we are here to pick up an interior so we can build our sim. Pro Lift. What's up, dude?
Hi.
How's it going?
Hi.
How's it going? Good. You look good. Look at your hair and your beard. I'm telling you, you belong on a shirt. I've told you this for years. Oh, dude, I have not been in this place in forever. Oh my gosh. It's been years since I've been in here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I remember the last time I was here, I had a gimbal tripod, the car was parked right over there. Man, look at this place.
Yeah, I stopped talking to people. I just close the doors.
Dude.
If I don't know where you're going, you ain't getting in.
Look at this. That's so cool.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh, you've got stuff on stuff on stuff up here, Rob.
Dude, I don't even know what I have up here anymore. You want some rare ass JDM seats?
A couple dead bodies.
Probably.
It's nice in here. It's not like hot. Holy shit! There's blue carpet. That's like rally. That's when the Subaru's blue with gold wheels. Oh.
Yeah, I got carpet. I got all the dash stuff here.
Fuck yeah!
I got rear seats if you want them, but I don't know how crazy you're trying to get.
We don't 8 interiors.
I have so many dashes.
God damn! All right, let's go in here. Come on, Rob. Just be careful. All right. We're climbing up into the lair. What else we got in here? Watch me just fall through the roof. You got trims and everything? What is this for? A trim piece for something? Oh, near the windshield? Yo, that is a dash. Oh, dude, I remember those cup holders. I remember those. Look at all this shit. Okay, all right, I gotta put my camera down. You like that one, Rob?
This tight. This is fucking badass.
That's clean at all.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I got more panels.
And I got the working cup holders.
Here you go, Rob. Hell yeah, working cup holder. Look at this double din. Put an Alpine deck in here, or maybe Pioneer. Glove
that's
box.
the right one.
Oh shit!
It might be this glove box.
We'll bring it down there. And e-brake. We're gonna put a radio. We're gonna put a radio. Pass the aux, Rob. Pass the aux.
That goes under the steering wheel.
Okay, under. Oh hell yeah! We have ports for put our NOS button. Oh man, look at this. Yeah?
Yeah.
We've got an interior. Oh my gosh. Yeah, a few zip ties will solve all this.
Easy. Yeah, I mean, you could build it all with zip ties.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. We just need a gauge. Find a gauge.
Yeah.
You know? Dude, I love the fact that we have cup holders. Is this the one right here? This is the one.
I think they're both.
What is this one? I don't remember what this is. Oh shit!
I would give you the STI one, but yeah, STI is still worth money. So.
Yeah, no, this is good. I'll just put an STI logo somewhere. Take it apart. This goes here. Like this, hey, this is flaccid as fuck, Rob. That goes there.
With the Logitech, we'll have to take down apart. We can somehow.
Yeah, no, we'll end up taking this piece apart and then building it into it. And then.
Why not have this piece? Because there's another surround that comes. Let's see if I can find it.
Okay. And that goes here. Right? And then this goes over here. Like that.
And then this guy goes underneath this.
Okay.
I think it goes like that or some shit.
Okay.
It goes like that. And that's what bolts into the car. But
Sick. Yeah. So it goes here, Rob. And then throw the dash right there. That's so awesome.
Nice.
There we go. And then we got this trim here. And which one is which? Let's see. Probably that vent to clean off the trim. Some VIN numbers here. Okay. And then your e-brake is probably right about here.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Dude! We've got it! Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
Wow, it's gonna look fucking good.
Oh, Rob! This is crazy!
Damn.
Dude, imagine sitting in here now, like this. And then actually having like the feeling of a real dash, you know?
Here.
Oh shit!
so not that guy.
Okay, this guy. Dude, we got 3 cup holders.
No, you got more.
I know. Oh, rear seats!
For the people watching in the back, yeah.
Hell yeah, so we got right there.
So the only one you're missing is this guy.
Uh-huh.
So this goes like right there on the footwell.
Okay,
So you're missing the one on that side.
okay. It works. Dude. And then this one goes, this goes, no, that goes there?
Yeah.
That goes there.
Oh yeah, this goes.
Sick. Throw this little floppy ass flaccid one. Oh man.
There you go.
If you end up needing hardware, let me know.
Yeah. Shit.
Actually, I'll send you this.
And this is the blue carpet.
I might have a dash bar somewhere. Let's see if I got the dash bar.
Dude, you know you're in good ass shape too.
Right,
Yeah, man, that's just beer belly, but you've got like back. Look at this.
Because I'm over here lifting
I know.
engine parts all day.
Hey, yo, he might outlift you. Low key.
You lift?
You lift, bro? Dude, Rob, we are so close to a freaking sim. This was an idea a long time ago, and finally it's coming together. Look at that. We could be sitting right there. We have legit seats too.
Damn, the Christmas.
This is from what year?
This is 2006. So 06 STI?
Yeah.
Except for the gauge cluster.
Yeah. We can open it. We'll custom that. We'll custom it.
Imagine when we have the
Yeah.
Logitech ready.
Yeah. Stop rubbing my knob, bro. All right, here. Let's load up.
Go.
Dude, this is so cool. Look at this gauge. We got a custom inside. Maybe stick a logo, a Primal logo or something. Fuck yeah. Yeah, got goodies in there?
Nah.
Got a Glock in there? No, I was kidding.
We got it.
Huh? You got it? I know, right?
The Glacks.
Dude, thank you so much for sponsoring us with this stuff. You gotta come race.
I will for sure.
Fuck
I'll be
yeah. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Robbie D!
Yeah.
We got it.
We got it.
Frank's cool, right?
Hell yeah, he's
Dude,
a cool, super
day
cool
one
guy.
mofo right there. Day one.
Man, crazy stories.
Shit, well, we shared some stories off
So
camera.
crazy.
They're good stories, right?
They're good stories.
Because Frank's been around with me since an unmodded Subaru. Well, I had intake, but he was around since like I did
like red mud flaps.
red mud flaps, red
that?
wheels, passive dip shit.
Damn.
He installed my exhaust for me, my coils for me. Prolific right there. But he's super low key. Like he does not post on IG.
Yeah.
He doesn't talk about his business. Hustling quietly.
That's good. Super, super nice guy.
He knows all the OG stories.
Yeah.
All the OG stories.
Yeah, those stories are pretty funny.
Crazy.
You should have that on
The drunk story? Look at this. Jay. That's it. That's it. We got it. John, you're not ready.
I'm not.
You're not ready, John.
Super hyped. I think I'm kind of too excited for this. This is something.
Soda wet. Damn, Cloud Maker. Okay, go ahead, open. We got full dash, a boot, working cup holders,
Carpet.
dude, STI carpet,
Damn.
STI carpet, more horsepower.
Damn.
That's flaccid. Jay just, yeah, John. Hey. Center console, e-brake.
And the e-brake. Oh, no.
I wonder if we can rig that up to.
You could make this a hydro.
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah.
Just disable the button.
You just do it like this. So
It's from your car. We'll just rip it off your car.
I know. We're gonna use your car.
Yeah, look. Wait, we have a glove compartment.
Damn.
License, registration, insurance.
What's that?
Huh?
What's insurance?
Sick. Dude, that
It
shit.
has air vents?
Hell
Does it
yeah.
have non-existent AC?
No, we'll have AC.
It even has the top trim?
Hell yeah.
Oh!
Working couple.
Put the NOS right there.
Uh-huh. Hi, kitty. Stand up, stand up. Sing me a song, please. Stand up, silly. Hi, Turbo. Can you sing me a song, please? Oh my goodness, this thing smells and look bright. Hey, is that a clock? It actually has a clock portion. Look,
Oh shit! It is.
look how clean this is. This, man,
Fucking nice.
this is better conditioned than some cars I know.
Mine.
Look how new this is. Look at that. What's up? What's up, chap? Look at this Look at this gauge though. That's fucking
That
premium.
shit's super clean. It's only 140 though.
Max speed 140. Shit. Look at that. Hey, yo, the interior is nicer than
Mine.
Everyone says that about their own car. We just got back from one of our other offices, grabbed some tools, so we can chop up some wood tomorrow. All right, guys, here's the idea. Remove this table, remove that table. This is the VR room. And then move those, boop, right over here into the podcast room. Originally, we wanted to put the game setup over here, but because we have our systems over here, I think it's smarter to have all the gaming in here. So we're gonna build the sim, and it'll take about this much space all the way that way. It'll take about 4.5 feet, 5 feet this way. And then from there, we'll have an entire game sim set up here. That's gonna allow us to still play VR on this side, while the racing sim is on this side. Meanwhile, over here, we'll still have our podcasts right over there, and then office space. So if all goes correctly, tomorrow we'll be able to chop up some wood, lay out some plans, chop up some wood, and then have everything slowly set up in here. After hours, we got Rob over here,
Charging the battery.
charging batteries.
You know me, eh?
We got Jay right over there. Jay is about to hook up the game. Oh, Guitar Hero. Then over here, we've got John and Chava. They're about to work on a car. What's up, fools? Hi. Don't look, I'm not done. This is the current condition of the warehouse. So after hours, they either can stay and hang out and play if they want, or they can go home. It's really up to them, but all the toys are here for them to play with. We usually mob it through the complex in one of these, but I've got to take off to my baby girl today, so I can't. The Subaru's all cleaned and ready to go. Jay's sitting in some NRG racing seats while playing Guitar Hero. You're a car girl and a nerd.
Wow.
Damn! Oh shit!
You guys can't watch me. That's not fair.
Damn. What the hell?
No, just a part.
What is this? Your header?
These are my secret headers that I have for my daily.
Shit. They're shiny.
I need the donut.
Damn, look at that intake though. Why are you disconnecting your battery?
Because I have a flat tire.
Yeah, I thought you were disconnecting your battery for installing your tires.
Yeah.
That's like safety first.
Yeah. You never know.
You never know if it's gonna explode.
Well, you're installing. That's what you're thinking about it?
Yeah.
Dang, look at these. Look how nice these are. What you got there?
Some railings for my seat.
Ooh-wee. The chin lip was installed today. Look at that bad boy. Looks good. Is that me back in the day? Oh my god, so they're about to install Tiger tires right now.
Damn, we need a brush.
And they're watching an old video of
Oh, your
mine.
wheels are that color? Wait.
Back in the day, yeah.
Shit.
Oh my god! What?
Damn. Wait.
That's some editing right there. Dude, this is with a Canon T3i. So a camera older than the one that you have.
Damn.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Shit looks
I played
good.
that same surface 3 times, but you can do it as many times as you want.
Wow, I used to do like really detailed how-to videos.
Wiping it down.
Damn.
Wow.
Clean the shit up.
Take your sandpaper,
Chava's
start
tires.
scrubbing where you're gonna apply your letters.
That's a very good video, honestly.
Really good.
Surface for the letters to
Straight to the point, huh?
Yep.
Even in light pressure is recommended. Of course, as you sand down your tire, just be careful not to hit your rim.
I sound like a bitch. What the fuck?
Oh shit.
I'm like a baby in that video.
Is that-
Oh my god! Look at that little fool. My hair looks brown, dude.
What the heck?
Why is my hair brown?
Your natural hair color is
Yo,
brown?
I was fit right there, bro. Whoa!
Damn.
Ah! You're still drilling out your manifold, huh? For your header.
Just one. Haven't even started the other one.
What the hell? Is that juiced all the way up?
Huh?
Is the battery juiced? Hey, Chav, are you gonna install NOS underneath? And you can, when you open up the bottom of the seat, you can turn it on and press the button, just like the movies?
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that? Or ejectocito, and you click it, and it pops Rob out of the
I
car?
think I prefer that, yeah.
This is Omar's drum set that we borrowed from him. Hi. Hi, so I wanted to stay and play with the team, but I had to come home to this baby. Can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? Do you miss them? They haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, how old are you now? How old are you now? Why are you being so shy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Want to say bye to the vlog? Can you say bye to the vlog? Say bye to the vlog.
Bye, bye, doggy.
Say see you later.
See you later.
She remembers the fist bump. Ooh.